आप क्या कहते हैं? What about you? What about you? सब ठीक चल रहा है। Everything is going fine. Everything is going fine. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हो? Do you study English? Do you study English? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? यह मेरी गलती है। It was my mistake. It was my mistake. मुझे मत छुओ। Don't touch me. Don't touch me. आप काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे हो। You are doing quite well. You are doing quite well. दरवाज़ा बंद करो। Shut the door. Shut the door. खिड़की बंद कर दो। Close the window. Close the window. रेफ्रिजरेटर चालू करें। Switch on the refrigerator. Switch on the refrigerator. मेरे साथ आइए। Come with me. Come with me. आप कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? ध्यान से चलाएं। Drive carefully. Drive carefully. शराब पीकर गाड़ी ना चलाएं। Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. कृपया अपना बैग ठीक से पैक करें। Please pack your bags properly. Please pack your bags properly. अपने अच्छा काम किया भाई साहब। Good job man. Good job man. आपको ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this form? Where did you get this form? आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you very much. Thank you very much. मुझे ये पोशाक पसंद है। I like this dress. I like this dress. आपकी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? ये संयोग से हुआ। It happened by chance. It happened by chance. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए थे? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? मेरा दिमाग खराब मत करो। Don't spoil my mind. Don't spoil my mind. क्या तुम्हें बुखार है? Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? आप इस बात को समझ सकते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? कृपया जितनी जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ। Please leave as soon as possible. Please leave as soon as possible. क्या मैं यहाँ तुम्हारे साथ रह सकती हूँ? Can I stay here with you? Can I stay here with you? लड़कियों को छेड़ना बंद करो। Stop teasing girls. Stop teasing girls. अपने सपनों को कभी नहीं छोड़े। Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. कुर्सी पर ठीक से बैठो। Sit properly on the chair. Sit properly on the chair. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। May I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? संगीत बजाओ। Play the music. Play the music. सुबह जल्दी उठो। Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. अपना खाना ठीक से खाओ. Eat your lunch properly. Eat your lunch properly. मुझे अपने देश से प्यार है. I love my country. I love my country. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me truth. Tell me truth. मोहब्बत और जंग में सब जायज़ होता है. Everything is fair in love and war. Everything is fair in love and war. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. सभी ट्रेनें समय पर हैं. All trains are on time. All trains are on time. मैं अब इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait anymore. I can't wait anymore. मैं तुम्हें उनके साथ नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not allow you to go with them. I will not allow you to go with them. कल छुट्टी होगी. Tomorrow will be a holiday. Tomorrow will be a holiday. मेरी उससे बातचीत हुई थी. I had a conversation with him. I had a conversation with him. अजीब बात है ना ये. Is not it a strange thing? Is not it a strange thing? बहाना मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. सब हमें देख रहे हैं. Everybody is watching us. Everybody is watching us. मेरी बातों को समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand my words. Try to understand my words. मुझे बहुत काम है. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work.